Welcome to Lesson 4. In Lesson 3, you learned how to create a data table, insert an image, and insert a chart into your spreadsheet. In Lesson 4, you will learn 3 advanced features Google has to offer: conditional formatting, freezing a row, and lastly, the sharing feature. You can place conditions on any of the cells located in your spreadsheet or in your table. Say that you want to be notified when Tony here has a grade below a 70. So let's apply a condition to that row of grades. The first thing you would do is highlight the grades. Go to Format, click on Conditional Formatting. To the right of your window, a Conditional Format Rules window will pop up. It has Apply the Range. Since we have already highlighted that, that's been filled in for you. Format cells if, and for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to choose less than. We're telling the computer to format the cells if the cells become less than 70. You enter the value there. You can create a different color or a highlight and click Done. So looking over at your data table, Tony has one grade that falls below 70. This is a great way to identify the students that need extra help. The second feature we're going to look at is called freezing a row. Right now we have our table. When we scroll through the information, all of the rows and columns are moving with our scrolling. There's a feature within Google where you can select the title and the assignment 1, 2, 3, and 4 to stay in place when you're scrolling through information. You simply highlight those 2 rows. You can see that I've highlighted in blue. Click on View. Click Freeze. It's going to ask you how many rows. You can also do columns as well, but we're going to do rows. We're going to click on 2 rows since we've highlighted 2 rows. Now, a thick gray line will appear under the rows that we want to freeze. So now when we scroll through our information, those stay in place. Those first 2 rows stay in place. When you have large amounts of data to scroll through, this is a great feature to have. The last feature that we're going to talk about today is the sharing feature. You'll notice in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, there's a share. Click on that share button, and you're going to type in the email address to those who you want to share it with. Now I'm basically going to share this with myself, but I could also share it with my supervisor or my peers. Now over here in this box to the right, there are 3 options. I can give the person I'm sharing with editing privileges, commenting privileges, or just give them a viewing capability. It defaults to edit, so we're going to keep it like that. This text box here, you can provide a note to your supervisor that you are finished with your spreadsheet. And simply click Send. You can also get a shareable link to share with others as well. And click Send. It will say shared with one person. Once you share the document with others, that document becomes a collaborative document, which means essentially you and the person that you shared with have access to your spreadsheet and can work on the spreadsheet at the same time.